Yo, what's up everyone? Casey with casinatortrades. In today's video, we're going to be going over my prop firm portfolio. So these are futures trading prop firms that I have in my portfolio basically. So these are the funding companies that I use. It's around $4 million in total allocated capital. And yeah, so we're going to go over it. So these are prop firms I use. I'm just going to talk about them, like how many accounts I have with them, like the account sizes and all of that. And yeah, it's basically like 4 million after all that. Obviously, it's not like actually $4 million in capital. We're using the drawdown basically per account, so just keep that in mind. But technically, it is $4 million in prop firm capital, but in reality, we're just using the drawdown. So yeah, we're just gonna go over it right now. So yeah, so the first one is a very legit firm, very legit. Love it. Have it right here on my screen right here, and it's called Topstep. So Topstep, very, very, very legit firm. They've been around for like over 10 years now. They're the longest prop firm in the future space in the game right now. They're very legit. It was pretty cool because they're the first prop firm that I actually got my very first payout with, which was $7,050, and then I got my fee refunded. So in reality, I got $7,200 in that payout. So my very first payout I got in January this year. Started trading prop firms in December, so around 11-12 months. Yeah, 11 months right now. So yeah, so prop firm number one, I have 550K accounts with Topstep. I'll show the accounts in a little bit, but yeah, I have 550K accounts with Topstep right now. I've bounced around with them before with the 50Ks and 100Ks. I really like the 100Ks as well, but right now I'm just trying out the 150K accounts and seeing how they work. So prop firm number one is Topstep. We got 550K accounts. I copy trade those together and get them going. Get my computer back on. And that's 750K in capital right there. And yeah, so I got payouts with them in the past. I think I have around like $25,000 in payouts this year. There's like times where I use them and then I get a payout and then I stop using them for like 2 or 3 months for some reason. The last time I used them was like 2 or 3 months ago, I think. And yeah, so now I'm back funded with them. Got them back funded to last week. What's the date today? I'll keep you guys updated. So today is November 2nd, Saturday. November 2nd, Saturday at 3:05 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Probably release this video within the week. And yeah, so Topstep, very legit firm. No complaints. Very legit. Literally, the only rule once you're funded is don't let your account hit 0. You can trade news. Very flexible, fast payouts. And yeah, I'm just going to keep using them, and I gotta focus more on them. So 500 accounts is pretty cool. So 750K in capital. Show you guys my accounts right here. Alright guys, here's my Topstep account. So yeah, like I said, I just started them like a few days ago. So the first day I lost 700, then the next day I made 1,600. So overall I'm up $940 on these accounts. These are 550K accounts with Topstep. You just need 5 winning days of $200 or more for any account size to get a payout. And yeah, so I need 4 winning days, and then we can request payout. But yeah, I got 5. See, when you see Express, that is a funded account. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. And if you blow it, it'll be ineligible. So yeah, so these are 550K accounts with Topstep. So that's 750K in capital right there. Pretty cool. Great firm. And yeah, we're gonna get some more payouts with them this year. Let's go. Alright guys, prop firm number 2 is MyFundedFutures. If you don't know, I've been talking a lot about them lately because I love them and they're probably my favorite prop firm honestly right now. And I have no problems with them. Quick, easy payouts. Send them very quickly lately. Like within like starter accounts, people are getting them within like, some of them like within like 5 minutes, some like 30 minutes. But like all starter accounts are getting paid within like 30 minutes. And my expert accounts get approved within like and sent to me within like 8 hours, which is pretty awesome. I think they have like a automated system now or something, so they're awesome. Great firm. So for me, I have 3 funded 50K accounts, not 150K. I have 50K expert accounts. So MyFundedFutures, they have starter accounts, expert accounts, and now they have a milestone plan. So pretty cool. They have different options for you. I personally love the expert plans. It's what I use, what I like, and yeah, it's just what I use. So the 50K, I just like the 50K experts because you basically can withdraw whatever is above the buffer, and the buffer on the 50K is 2,100. So I get to request anything over 2,100, and that's pretty cool. And I just don't really feel a need for the 150k account. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just you have to have you gotta trade more or get a bigger buffer size. So the buffer size for the 150k account is 4,500 for the expert account. So it's up to you. The starter account, you don't really need a buffer, I think. I think you just need 5 winning days and you can request a payout, which is pretty cool. So yeah, MyFundedFutures are my favorite prop firm right now. I received probably like over $65,000 in payouts this year total. Overall with them, they're a great firm. Like I said, no problems. Matt, the owner, he's been on top of his game. So that is 150k funded right there. So 3 funded expert accounts. So that is 900k total so far. 550k Topstep, and then 350k expert with MyFundedFutures. So yeah, I'll show you the dashboard and all that right now. Alright guys, so here is my accounts. So these are brand new accounts. My last group of funded accounts with MyFundedFutures, I was able to get like $17,000 in payouts over the 3 accounts, which is very nice. But yeah, these are brand new accounts. So I got 3 funded, sim funded. All these accounts are sim funded, guys, but they pay out real money, and that's all that matters. So maybe I'll move to a live account in the future if I get better and all that, but yeah, that is the plan. We're sim funded right now, but yeah, these are brand new accounts. See, there's 3 50k accounts. I just got them on Friday. That was like yesterday. Then these are my certificates for the last 3 accounts. I got numerous payouts with other accounts in the past, but this is times 3, guys. So this is 3 funded expert accounts. So this is times 3. So 4,000 times 3, 2,500 times 3. So this is around like $17,000 after the fees, which is pretty nice. They take a 10% share. And if you want to look up my name, Casey, on their payout feed, that's all. This is all me. So yeah, I got over like 65k in payouts this year. Pretty damn cool. Let's go to the next. And boom, that was the very first payout I had with MyFundedFutures. I started with him in March. Or I started with him in February, but I got my first payout in March. So yeah, pretty cool. Awesome firm. They're my favorite right now, like I said. And yeah, I'm just going to keep using them. Alright guys, prop firm number 3 is TakeProfit Trader. So TakeProfit Trader is also another really good firm that I like. Same thing with Topstep. I just haven't been using them lately on the last 2 or 3 months. I've just been focusing on other firms, but now I'm back funded with them again. So right now I am copy trading my Topstep group with my TakeProfit group. So I have 5 funded accounts with Topstep, 5 funded accounts with TakeProfit, and I copy trade them together. So that's 10 funded accounts together. And then with TakeProfit Trader, this is my first time trying it out, but I have 550k accounts in the past with them. I got numerous payouts with them in the past. This year I had the 50k accounts and 100k accounts, and the 50ks are pretty good. It's just the only thing, TakeProfit's a good firm because of the instant payouts, which is really nice. The only thing is you have to trade 5 days for the challenge to get there, and if you hit the daily loss limit in a funded account or a challenge account, it's a hard breach. So a hard breach, if you hit the daily loss limit, that means you'll lose the account. It's like big red flag. You'll lose the account. So just keep that in mind if you're going to trade them. It's a good firm, but yeah, I don't really like the hard breach rule. If it was a soft breach, that I'd be totally fine with that. But the hard breach is like put you more on the edge, which I don't like. And sometimes there's slippage, and then you could blow the accounts, which I have in the past. So something to keep in mind. But other than that, they're a great firm. The payouts are extremely fast. It takes a while to get to the payout, but once you do get your funded accounts and you do get above the buffer, the payouts are like literally like within a few hours. It's like you literally request it, and once it approves, you get it the next morning. So if you request it at night, you literally get it the next morning in your bank account. So pretty awesome. I love that. It's really like a cash ATM basically. So yeah, overall they are a good firm. They do pay out. I got numerous payouts with them this year, so I'm glad I'm back funded with them again. And yeah, so we're gonna keep using them this week. And yeah, so that is 550k accounts. So that is 750k right there. So overall we're up 1.6 million 50,000. So 1,650,000 right now in funded. I'll show you my accounts right here. So I'm covering my hand because it has like my login information, which I do not want to show, obviously. But I have, you see the crown, that is a funded account. So futures 150k, TakeProfit Pro accounts. These are pro accounts, so that means they are funded, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna scroll down here. Excuse me, sorry about that. Just want to show you guys. But yeah, like I said, I have them linked with my Topstep accounts. So whatever happens on one of the accounts literally happens on all 10 total. So we were up $920 overall. And then, yeah, like I said, I lost $700 my first day, and then the next day made $1,600, so we're up $900 overall. And then I basically get to request whatever's over $4,500, which is pretty cool. So overall, TakeProfit Trader is a very legit firm. They do pay out. It's just be aware of the hard breach rules. And yeah, so I love the instant payouts, so hopefully I can get them above the buffer soon and start requesting payouts again, and then I'll do like a payout withdrawal video on that. I got numerous payouts with them in the past, like I said, around 35,000 or so this year, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I gotta do a payout withdrawal video for you guys. I haven't been funded with them in a while, so I'm glad to be funded with them again. So pretty cool. Alright guys, the next firm is Apex. There's a lot of like things going on with people. I half like him, half don't like him. So Apex, I didn't have a problem with them, and I was having like, they're my favorite firm at the time until I was put on probation. I just love the 20 funded accounts because like if you make it a payout, it's a big payout. So but recently I've been put on probation. If you haven't been watching my Road to $100,000 in Payouts series, it's just me like vlogging Road to 100K in payouts. Pretty cool. But yeah, recently I've been put on probation like over a month or so ago. Yeah, I think around a month. And yeah, it's just annoying. I don't know, I sent an email to them asking like what's up with the probation. It's been over a month. Can I get taken off? No response or anything. So I have no idea if these are like my last accounts, but I got the most payouts this year with Apex. And yeah, so right now I have 20 funded 100K accounts. So that is, yeah, 20 funded 100K accounts. I copy trade them all together. Yeah, just all 20 together, and then yeah, whatever happens on one account happens on all 20. And that's how I did it with my other payouts in the past with them this year. So 100 times 20, that is $2 million funded right there with just Apex. So that is $3,650,000 in capital prop firm that we are funded with right now. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, so overall, Apex, like I said, in the past, I never had a problem with them, and I got numerous big payouts with them, and they're my favorite firm. But now, recently, I've been put on a probation. I don't know why I've been put on probation, and I've been stuck there for over a month, and I've just been trading these accounts. So it's just literally back and forth with these accounts. I'm not sure if it's officially my last accounts. I have no idea. Send them an email, no response. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully, it's not my last accounts. I would like to keep trading with them, but if it is, then I don't know, I'll probably just move on and keep trading to other firms. That's life, and we move on. But overall, I did get the most payouts this year with Apex out of all the firms, which is $130,000 in payouts. So this year alone, guys, I got pretty crazy. I started prop firms basically December. Yeah, December, so like 11 months. And I've been trading like almost 2 years now. It's like a little over 1.5, like almost 2. So yeah, so it's like right there, right in the middle between those. So right in the middle between 1.5 and 2. So it's like, yeah, a little over 1.5 years. Been trading a little over 1.5 years. I started trading futures and prop firms on December, and I already have gotten over $250,000 in payouts, guys, which is pretty freaking crazy. And yeah, so but it's obviously not all profit. I'm just being 100% transparent. It's obviously not all profit. It was 100% profit. That'll be a 100% different story. I did blow a lot of accounts and that, but I am up pretty good overall. Pretty good overall. I'll just say that. I'm not gonna say the exact amount, but it's an amount I'm pretty happy with. So pretty cool. Not trying to brag or anything. Give you guys more motivation. If I could do it, so could you. So yeah, I got $130,000 in payouts this year with just Apex alone, and hopefully I can get more. I don't know what's going on with the probation issue, and I don't know if these are officially my last accounts. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, that is $3,650,000 funded right now. I'll show you guys my Apex accounts and stuff like that. Alright guys, here's my 20 Apex accounts here showing 20 records. These are 100K PA, so that stands for a performance account. So I have 20 100K accounts. That's $2 million in funding. And like I said, it's not actually $2 million in funding. You're just working with the drawdown, basically. So it's very rough with these accounts. I was basically at a payout, and then I was put on probation literally 2 days before payout. I had a payout locked in, and I was put on probation. Now I have to trade under these new guidelines and rules, which is very annoying. I had a 50 grand payout locked in. But now my accounts are not looking good. I only have like $700 left because the buffer stops at $100 flat. So I have like $700 left. I'm going to try and save these accounts, hopefully, because I think these might be my last accounts. I have no idea. Hopefully it's not, but yeah, that's the update with them. I'll show you guys my past payouts. But yeah, guys, here's $130,000 in payouts with these accounts. So here's my last one, which was 30 grand paid out, showing 65 records right here. But yeah, I did blow all these accounts after because literally there's only like $500 left in buffer room. But yeah, so the last one was $30,000 paid out. I'm obviously trying to save them when I get a payout, obviously, but it's just hard with the $500 left. But now they changed the rules, so you have to have a buffer and stuff, so it's kind of irrelevant now. But yeah, so this is the last one, the big giant one. This is my biggest single payout, which was $50,000. That was on June. Awesome. Paid. That was, again, that was 100K accounts. That was 50 grand paid out. That was an awesome time. And yeah, so boom, there's another 40K payout in April. And then I started trading them again, like my first time in like mid-February, and then I got my first payout, which is 10 grand in March. So that was pretty cool. And yeah, so these are my payouts. So there's 130K in payouts just with Apex. So pretty cool on that. Hopefully I can save these accounts, like I said, and keep them going. But that is that for that. Alright guys, next prop firm. I haven't really been talking about them because I literally just got funded them recently, and lately I don't really like talking about like other prop firms because of the whole FTT situation. I still technically have my 25K account, so that is 500K funded, but I'm not counting that because I'm pretty much done with that company. Don't like it. So yeah, the whole bullcrap. You guys just watch my old videos if you want to learn about the fast track whole thing, whole big drama, mass payout, cancellations, all that. So it is what it is. I still have my 25K accounts. Even if I make it to the payout, I don't even know if I'm gonna get it because they're just delayed. Excuses. So that's why I'm not counting it. But if you want to add my 500K allocated to the thing, you can add it. But this firm, I'm trying it out. Other people are saying it's good. That's why I don't really like talk about it, because the whole FTT situation. I want to use a firm first, get my personal experience from it, hopefully get a payout with them first, and then I can recommend them and talk about them more and do all of that. So, but I have recently just got funded with TickTick Traders. So they actually been around for quite a while. Yeah, TickTick Trader. They had like a sale going on with the bundle 100K accounts. So I have 3 funded 100K accounts with them. So that is 300,000 funded right there. So overall, that is $3,950,000 funded right now. At my very peak, I was like $5.7, $5.8 million funded. That was like my peak, and that was like a few months ago, like 4 or 5 months ago or something. I forgot when, but it was this year. That was my very peak. It was mainly because of the Apex, because I had 25K, 250K accounts. So that's why I'm not really counting that, but that was my peak. I was funded with Apex, Topstep, MyFundedFutures, and TakeProfitTrader, and that was the like $5.7 million funded. But right now I am basically $4 million funded. I'm only 50K short. Who cares? I'm literally $4 million funded. So I got 3 funded 100K accounts with TickTick Trader. Like I said, I'm not like promoting them or calling them a scam or anything. I want to use them more, get my personal experience. So far, the experience has been pretty good. I like the dashboard. It updates really quick. It literally updates like same time. Like, so if I take a trade, made $100, it'll literally update, which is pretty cool, like with a funded account. So that I like that. And yeah, the customer service was pretty good too. So hopefully I get to the payout and I'm added to my list that I like. So yeah, I'll show you my accounts right now. And yeah. Alright guys, so here's my account stats for TickTick Trader. So like I said, I have 3 funded 100K accounts. They are overall at a $4,500 balance, so pretty cool on that. I don't know what the F stands for. I'm pretty sure it's funded, but the challenge accounts start with like TTT. But yeah, these are the funded accounts with TickTick Trader. And yeah, so they're at a $4,500 balance. I did make $3,600 the first day. That's not their fault. They have a 30% consistency rule, so I just really feeling the market that day and I wanted to keep trading. So I made $3,600 the first day. Then the next day I lost like $600 or $700, and then the next day I made like $1,500 or something like that. But overall, we're up $4,500 after 3 trading days, so pretty cool on that. And yeah, so like I said, I'm not like recommending them or anything yet because I want to use them more and get my payouts first. Like I said, because I don't want to do the whole FTT situation again. Yeah, I don't want to do all that. I want to actually get to the payout, get a payout, lock in the thing, have more experience with the firm, and then I can recommend them. But overall, I'm just trying them out. So I have 300K accounts, like I said, and hopefully everything goes well. So they do have a 30% consistency rule with the funded. So I basically have to get to a $12,000 balance, and then I can request my payout. Like I said, that's not their fault. That was on me because I decided to keep trading that day, and I wanted to. So I made $3,600 that day, and yeah, so now I just have to get to a $12,000 balance, and then yeah, like I said, I can request a payout. So pretty cool on that. All right, guys. So boom, $3,950,000 in funding capital. Like I said, pretty cool. Basically, yeah, 4 million. Who cares? 50K. $4 million in funding capital. Let's go. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it's not actually $4 million. Technically, it is, but you're basically just using it to drawdown, like I said. So each account size is a different drawdown. 150K more accounts have more drawdown, obviously, than the 50Ks. So just keep that in mind. But overall, I am $4 million in funding right now, so pretty cool on that. So yeah, so we're funded with Topstep, 550K accounts. TakeProfit Trader, 550K accounts. MyFundedFutures, 350K accounts, expert accounts. Apex, 100K accounts. Then TickTick Trader, 300K accounts. That is $4 million funded with 5 companies. So pretty cool. I think that is 36 funded accounts right now. So pretty cool on that. Like I said, I'm not counting the FTT accounts because that's like 500K. So do you want to count it? Who cares? I'm not going to trade with that firm. I'm just moving on, living and using good firms. So that's all I'm going to say. And yeah, that was a whole nightmare situation. So I'm just going to stick to the good, reliable firms. And yeah, that's it. So pretty cool. $4 million funded right now. 36 funded accounts. Pretty cool. I'll keep you guys updated. I want to get more funded overall. I want to beat my goal, like I said, of 5.7 million. That'd be pretty cool to beat. And get to over 6 million in funded. That'll be pretty cool. So documenting right now and show you guys that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want to use my affiliate codes down below, use code Casinator, CASINATOR. Use code Casinator at checkout with MyFundedFutures, Apex, and TakeProfit Trader. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Keep on trading, and let's go. Woo!